Hello learners, this is Shraddha Bharti and in today's video we are going to learn about the specific gravity of the soil. By definition, the specific gravity of soil, let me write it here, the specific gravity of soil is the weight of the solids of a given volume to the weight of the standard fluid of the same volume. Standard fluid here means water. But if we say specific gravity of the soil, we do not mean the entire soil. We mean the specific gravity of soil solids. This. Only the soil solids and not the entire soil. It is the weight of the solids to the weight of the same volume of water. If we divide this by the same volume, because we are taking the same volume for the solids as well as for water, if we divide the numerator and the denominator by the volume, what we get is weight of solids to the volume of solids. That means it is unit weight of solids, and weight of water to the volume of water, it means the unit weight of water. So by definition you can say specific gravity is the ratio of the unit weight of solids to the unit weight of water. Whenever we say specific gravity of soil, what we actually mean is that specific gravity of the soil solids and not the entire soil. Specific gravity is also known as true specific gravity or the absolute specific gravity. This you should remember. Now moving on to the mass specific gravity. Sometimes if you encounter mass specific gravity of soil, it means that the weight of the soil of a given volume to the weight of the standard fluid of the same volume. Here the standard fluid what we take is the water. Water is our standard fluid. In the mass specific gravity, we also consider the entire soil including all the voids and all the water present in the soil. So mass specific gravity, which is represented by Gm, is the mass of the soil or the weight of the soil, you can say, to the weight of water. And this mass specific gravity includes everything: air, water plus soil. That means the entire three phases will be included in the calculation of the specific gravity of soil, that is the mass specific gravity of soil. If we divide it by the entire volume, this entire volume, not just the volume of solids, if we divide it by the entire volume, what we get is weight of water by volume of water. The volume is constant, so we get the density of soil, or you can say unit weight of soil to the unit weight of water. So mass specific gravity is the unit weight of the, or the bulk unit weight of the soil. I have already explained you the difference between the unit weight of solid, bulk unit weight. I have explained you in the previous lectures. So if anyone is having any confusion regarding that, please go through that lecture first. This is bulk's unit weight to the unit weight of water. So these two terms you shouldn't confuse. What is mass specific gravity and what is the specific gravity of solids. Now, if we have to find the specific gravity of a substance with respect to fluid other than water, what can we do? In such cases, what we do, that we take the unit weight of solids as constant. Now, by the definition of specific gravity, we know that specific gravity is unit weight of solids to the unit weight of water. Or we can say unit weight of solids is specific gravity into the unit weight of fluid, whatever it is, if it is a different fluid. So this we are taking as constant. So suppose this is the specific gravity of the substance with respect to water into unit weight of water will give me gamma s. Similarly, specific gravity of the same substance with reference to other fluid into unit weight of that fluid will give me gamma S of the substance again. So from here we have to find the specific gravity with reference to the fluid. So specific gravity of the substance with reference to a different fluid will be specific gravity with reference to water into unit weight of water by unit weight of that fluid. So that's all for this video. If you want to solve few questions asked in the previous year GATE examination, you can click on either of these two videos. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and follow me for more.